Official passage number 15, speed 80, recorded by Sarif Tahar Ahmad. Start. I am directed to say that instructions have been issued in several circular letter on behalf of the Chief Secretary as well as the Information Department, emphasizing the importance which the departments are required to attach to the publicity of government activities and the manner in which such publicity is to be ensured. Full stop. It has also been made clear that the necessity of timely publicity of policy decisions taken by government for the benefit of the people should not be overlooked. Full stop. While various departments continue to achieve definite results in their efforts for public good and national development, it is vital that the people should be informed of these measures in detail and in time. Full stop. If these achievements, which are generally substantial, remain unnoticed, the opportunity of strengthening public confidence in government, a very essential factor in a democratic setup, is missed. Full stop. Furthermore, the piecemeal attempts of various departments to get directly to the press also create a certain measure of confusion, which again does no good to the building up of public confidence. Full stop. The coordination of publicity measures through the urgency of the Information Department can present a compact picture of government activities that are intended to advance the cause of development in the province. Full stop. Para. To recapitulate the line of action already detailed in earlier circular letters, it is necessary that departments should make the best immediate use of the information officers attached to them, and the regional/divisional heads of offices of the local information offices. Full stop. In cases where important government actions have to be publicized and a greater sense of urgency is involved, heads of departments can contact the Director of Press Information and the regional/divisional offices. Full stop. It will be a correct step in that direction if all departments intimately associated the Information Department with all stages of policy formation and kept them fully posted with their plans and programs and stages of implementation. Full stop. This coordination will determine the measures of publicity each department can achieve for its performance. Full stop. This will also lead to a periodic appraisal of each department's activities and to the preparation of a regular roundup for the press. Full stop. Normal confusion caused by the appearance of haphazard pictures of policy decisions in the press can be avoided if the release are made through the Information Department. Full stop. I am to emphasize that the foregoing position may always be kept in mind because, irrespective of the substance of policy decision, the form in which they are projected is vital to correct publicity. Full stop. The traditional handout issued acquires an effectiveness in relation to the personality of and the basic material furnished to the individual issuing the handout. Full stop.